That's a good boy.
There we go.
Yeah. So we've had a really lovely time. He wants to be in the camera. He can't see you, can you?
All right, Archie, you
Look
finish.
at the camera.
You finish off then. Mundesley is a pretty Victorian seaside village where families can enjoy a traditional holiday away from the hustle and bustle. The coastal village of Mundesley became popular with the Victorians when visitors were brought to the area with the opening of a railway in 1898. The railway has long gone, but the fresh sea breeze off the North Sea still attracts visitors. Opposite the Maritime Museum, there is a World War II memorial to the men who lost their lives whilst clearing the beaches of landmines.
Hope everyone's okay.
Yeah.
Well, it's our going home day today.
Yes. And surprise, surprise, the sun is out.
I know. It's typical, isn't it?
Yeah.
We arrived here Friday and we'd had all the seasons on the journey here. And it was raining, wasn't it? And then all of a sudden it stopped and the sun came out like this and we had a lovely afternoon, evening, didn't we?
Saturday was mixed.
Yes, and we were able to walk in to Mundesley.
Yeah. And Sunday was a washout.
Yeah, Sunday was terrible.
Yeah.
But we did go into Mundesley and Sunday lunch, and you'll see on the video
who we met.
We are at the ship in Mundesley.
We are indeed.
And we are with Dave and Helen of Gallivanting, two lovely friends, and we've all had Sunday lunch, but we're on the puddings now. So what have you had, Tony?
Lemon tart.
What about you, Dave?
Ice cream sundae, because it's Sunday.
Wow. And Helen's had?
I had Malteser cheesecake, but I quite like the look of yours more, actually.
I know, I've had creme brulee, very nice. And we've all had a beef dinner, haven't we?
We're having a beef dinner.
Yeah.
And some gin and lemonade, haven't we, Julie?
Gin and lemonade, yes. I've been on the gin.
Yes.
Yeah.
Gone straight to your head.
Yeah.
And Archie's been in the cupboard. Or he's
Oh, yes.
Well, there's Archie and Bella here, haven't we?
Let me just film the dogs. Hang on a minute.
Get Bella.
There's Archie. There he is, looking over at Bella. Oh, there she is. Hello, Bella.
Hello to Julie.
Hello. You're gorgeous.
Couple of Tibetan Terriers.
Yes.
TT.
So there we go. So don't forget, watch their channel, Gallivanting. Bye. The cost of the 3 nights was £69, so that was £23 a night. So we don't think that was bad at all. And I know we're out of season.
You're behind us.
Yeah, the sun, the
Yeah.
sea, and it's beautiful.
It is.
So
Really good location.
yeah, very good location. We're on a cliff top. I mean, if it's going to be windy, you're going to get the winds. I mean, we did have some really strong winds, didn't we, one night?
Yeah.
It rocked the van a little bit, and torrential rain, didn't we?
Yeah. Well, that's
But,
just April's weather at the moment.
yeah.
Well, this is the shower block. We have 3 toilets, hairdryer. I must say it's immaculate. 3 sinks here, and the showers are massive. And you've actually got a handheld shower and the plunger shower. So you've got best of both worlds. And there's 3 showers. All very clean and very quiet. So yeah, really good facilities, I must say.
I mean, it's a lovely campsite. The facilities, as we've showed you, are really good.
Yeah, it's a private site, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a private site. There
Adults
is,
only.
Yes, adults only, and the campsite next door is it's static caravans,
Yes.
but you can't stay on there. They're all privately owned.
Yeah.
There's a lovely walk across the cliff tops, isn't there?
Yeah.
And then down onto the beach.
So how many pictures are there?
There's 28 pictures.
28 pictures.
And they're all hard standing with electric. There is, I think, I'm not sure, there's one right at the other end there
I think there's
that's on
2 or
the
3
grass.
yeah.
Yeah.
At the end, yeah.
They all have a slight slope, don't they?
Yes.
One way or the
It's
other.
the first
Yeah.
time we've had to use our chocks.
Yes.
So we've christened them.
Yeah, Tony's had to put it up on chocks.
Yeah.
Not chocks, it's levelers.
Levelers.
Yeah.
Our chocks levelers.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that was a learning curve.
It was trying to get
And I
them.
wished I'd filmed it because you said you weren't happy, were you? Oh, the tyres aren't quite right. So
So we had to do it again.
I stood in front of the van while he reversed back, and the levelers shot out at the front, and it was a good job I was in the centre, because they both shot and hit the fence in front of us.
Oh.
I mean, if they'd have hit me, I think it'd have hurt, wouldn't it?
Yeah. You'd have had bruised legs.
Yeah. So anyway, you got into the swing of doing
Yeah.
going
So
in and
that's
out
a
of the van.
first. Yeah.
And as I say, we had a run into, I'm going to say this wrong, I want to say Mundesley, but I don't think it is. It's not pronounced like
Mundesley.
that. Mundesley, that's it.
Probably.
And did have a run out in the van, and we parked in the car park there, but it was rather expensive for 4 hours, wasn't it?
£7.20.
Yeah, £7.20. But hey ho,
Hey ho.
it was well worth it, wasn't it?
Yes, so the beauty of this site is you can choose your pitch.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I did have a word with the warden, and she said that if you wanted to come again, it's better to book your pitch now rather than wait till next year.
Yeah.
So I've booked it.
Because you struggled last year.
Yeah, I wanted to come here last year and we couldn't, because it was fully booked when we could come.
Yeah.
And I'd looked well in advance. She says, oh, it does, it gets, you know, it really is busy.
It is popular.
Yeah, so we've booked pitch number 25. We're on 22, so it's a couple up. It's the last hard standing.
We booked that because there seems to be more grass area
Yeah,
between pitches, but
yeah.
they're all nice.
They're all
yeah.
lovely pictures. You will need levelers because they're all a little bit slopey one way or the other.
Yes, yeah.
So we'll be coming again next year, but we've booked July, haven't we?
Yes.
Because we thought, oh, hopefully next year the weather may
Fingers
Not
crossed.
sure.
Be
be a bit better by
but
that time
yeah.
of the year. It was
Has it gone up?
£89, but that is July, so it's not that much more, is it?
For peak season.
No.
Yeah, yeah.
It's getting up. Look, Archie, are you going to sit down? You're in the camera. Archie,
You're
sit
getting a bit
down.
restless, my boy.
Sit down. Come on. That's
There
a
we
good
go.
boy.
There we go.
Yeah. So we've had a really lovely time. He
Wow.
wants to be in the camera. Well, he can't see you, can you?
All right, Archie, you
Look at the
finish.
camera.
You finish off then.
Let me get the camera. Oh. There he is. He's been such a good boy, haven't you, Archie? I think he's getting a little bit warm. We've got no heating on, but the sun on the van is
Yeah.
warming it up, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just want to say that there is a filling up point just over there on the grass, you know, water, etc., and chemical waste.
Yeah. And the
And then I'm
motorhome
just
service
strangling myself
point.
with a jumper. Just hold on. That's better.
And the motorhome service point is as you enter the site.
Yeah, we missed it, didn't we, when we came
Yeah.
in? You go to some sites, you run by it. This is actually on the grass. It's on the grass, isn't it, facing inwards?
Yeah.
But there is an actual
concrete area.
with the drains across it.
Yeah.
But we just missed it because when you've not been somewhere before, you're looking all around thinking, well, where is it?
Yeah, so we had to go
We
round.
had to go right the way round and then fill up, didn't we? But there's the emptying point, there's wastewater
And fresh water.
there, and there's another chemical waste. And as Tony has said about the facilities, they're good, aren't they? There is
Very good.
actually a little office. You walk into the static park and the office is just at the bottom. But we didn't ever go there, did we? Because the
No.
warden met us as we arrived on
Once you
site.
park up, the warden appears.
Yes, she actually, it does say,
The little
go
electric
and
warden.
find your pitch
Yeah.
and we will come and find you.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what.
So there's no need to go to reception, and once you've booked, you tell them the registration, and the barrier just opens automatically. So it has got registration recognition.
Yeah, and actually as well, for a walk or whatever, there's a bus stop outside and that'll take you into Cromer or Sheringham, I think it goes to as well, and they run on the hour. And if you walk the other way, there is a little shop, not far, that first shop.
Oh, the first.
Yeah,
that's
there's a little shop there,
yeah,
and then
little
if you go
grocery shop.
further towards Mundesley, I want to
Mundesley.
say Mundesley, there's a Tesco Express, so that's good. We popped in there, didn't
Yeah,
we?
yeah.
Yeah, and then you're more or less into the resort. You know, it's not
So,
far
no.
at all, is
I'd
it?
say it's a mile, just over a mile.
Yeah, nice
Oh, yeah.
little place to visit.
It is.
So anyway, I think we better go.
Yes.
So everyone, we hope you have enjoyed what you've seen, and if you have, please press that like button
Yeah.
and consider subscribing to our channel. We really appreciate it,
Certainly would.
and we'll definitely see you in the next one.
Okay.
So bye for now.
Bye for now.